Hello everybody, this is Jyoti. Welcome to my channel Daily Dose of English. In today's video, we will focus on a very common mistake known as comma splice. In simple words, comma splice is a wrongly placed comma to join two sentences. But how do we catch that? Well, we should catch this in the content while proofreading it. And proofreading is the only way. Checking your own content is more important than anything else in IELTS or TOEFL. While rereading your own content, you should pay close attention while you come across commas. Without proofreading, you would simply mess up your score, especially in spelling, grammar, and top of all, coherence and cohesion. So in this video, you will learn how to avoid comma splices with just 3 simple tips. If you are ready, let's dive right in. Look at this example sentence. This sentence has a comma splice and this sentence is grammatically incorrect. Let me explain how. Look at the group of words before the comma. Did you notice that this group of words can stand by itself as a complete sentence? I eat a lot of vegetables. This means it's an independent clause. Now look at the group of words after the comma. I like to be healthy. So this group of words can also stand by itself as a complete sentence. So it's another independent clause. So when we have two independent clauses, a comma is not strong enough to glue them together. So this is the problem of a comma splice. In order to fix a comma splice, we can add a conjunction. We can use one of our coordinating conjunctions or we can use one of the subordinating conjunctions. A conjunction allows you to combine your two ideas in a single sentence, but it also has an added advantage of allowing you to indicate the logical relationship between the two ideas. For example, like this. I eat a lot of vegetables because I like to be healthy. So here we are using because, and because is our subordinating conjunction here. Let's see. So by using a conjunction, it shows us how the two sentences are related. The second method to fix this problem is to change the comma to a semicolon. So adding a conjunction like so or but after the comma in this sentence doesn't really make sense. But there does seem to be a close logical connection between the first independent clause, that is, I eat a lot of vegetables, and the second independent clause, I like to be healthy. So this is a perfect situation for a semicolon. Like this. I eat a lot of vegetables, semicolon. I like to be healthy. So, in simple words, if adding a conjunction doesn't seem to work, you can change the comma to a semicolon instead. Unlike commas, semicolons are strong enough to glue the two independent clauses together. The third tip is to make separate sentences. If adding a conjunction doesn't seem to work and using a semicolon feels too stuffy, you can fix a comma splice by simply making each independent clause a separate sentence. Like this. I eat a lot of vegetables, period. I like to be healthy. Let's review. Look at this sentence. There was a snake in the backyard. I froze in panic. This is the problem of a comma splice again. Clearly, these two sentences can stand on their own and therefore putting a period would make complete sense. Like this. There was a snake in the backyard. Period. I froze in panic. Alternatively, you can put a conjunction like this. So there was a snake in the backyard, comma, and I froze in panic. You should always use a comma before the conjunction. Even further, a semicolon would work because you're joining two sentences that talk about the same event and they are in flow. So you can say, there was a snake in the backyard, semicolon, I froze in panic. And that's it. Now you're ready to get out there and use your commas with confidence. Okay everybody, that's all for today. I hope you liked today's video, and if yes, please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.